everyone, welcome to Mini Maker's instruction videos. My name is Anaya Judy and today I'll be showing you how to make our airplane kit.
So first you're going to start off with opening up your Ziploc bag and putting out all the pieces. First we're going to start with this long rectangle piece and glue one of these squares that has a hole in the bottom to the middle. And we're also going to take another one, and these will act as your axles for your airplane. Glue them as shown. Next, you're going to take your block that has no hole, flip over your structure, and add it to the very end. Next, we're going to put that to the side and grab our two popsicle sticks with holes. With this is going to act as the wings for your airplane, and you're going to need the shorter two wooden dowels. These wooden dowels are to be found in the smaller plastic bag. Add each one to the holes, twisting them in lightly. So once you have the bottom part done, then you'll take the other popsicle stick and put them right on top, aligning the holes with the wooden dowels. Again, twisting them in to get them in place. Now with our wings, we're going to take our smaller popsicle stick and glue it to the end, right on top of the previous square that we just added. Just like that. Now we're going to glue on our wings to the middle. And now we're going to grab our wheels and axles. Take each wheel and match them to the appropriate ring. So you have two smaller white circles, so you want to match them with the two smaller black rings. And make sure to do the same with the bigger ones as well. So now you're going to take one axle and add it into one of the smaller wood pieces that has the hole. And you're going to add your two little orange rings. And then you can add your wheel on top. They can either be the smaller ones in the front or the bigger ones. Just make sure whatever ones you put in the front, they're both the same size. Now that you got that, do the same to the back. First putting in the axle, and then adding the wheels. Now that we have that, we're going to stick down some double-sided tape. Next, you're going to start with the motor. So first you're going to add the propeller. And on top of the propeller, there's a smaller orange piece as well. Next, you're going to take the battery pack and stick it on with the double-sided tape. Make sure with the wiring, when you take off each of the plastic caps, you twist just to make sure it's easier to connect to the motor. Now you're going to connect the black side to the right and the red side to the left. This will ensure that your plane goes the right way. Now take some more double-sided tape and add it to the front where the motor will be, and also to the back where the battery pack will stick on. Now that you have everything assembled, add your batteries. And there you have your finished plane all put together.